good. We beat everyone here.
Not everyone. Everyone that you've challenged so far.
No, I mean we beat these guys behind us. Waiting on line. Are you recording this?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's interesting. Haven't you ever heard of B-rolling?
Haven't you ever heard of... No, I haven't.
B-rolling is where you just keep rolling and... Yes, you go. There's John. Gene! It's Gene. This should be pretty cool. Actually get to hold up this one. You didn't do a burnout this time. Catching ya. And he passed.
That was a good race.
That was.
People don't quite have it on the top end like gas thing, but